In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira roadmap. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management process or simply need a visual guide for upcoming tasks, creating a roadmap in Jira can be an invaluable tool. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear roadmap tailored to your specific project needs. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Your Work section in Jira. This is where you can access and manage all your projects, tasks, and anything else on your plate. Once you're logged in and on the home page, look for Your Work in the top navigation bar. Click on that and it will bring you to a page that displays your work overview. This is your starting point for creating a roadmap because it gives you immediate access to all your existing projects. Now on this page you'll notice an option labelled Dashboards. It's usually found in the same top navigation menu. Go ahead and click on it. The Dashboards page is where you can view and customize various dashboards related to your projects, and a roadmap is essentially one of these dashboards tailored to your needs. On the Dashboards page you'll find a list of all the dashboards you have access to. If you've previously created any dashboards, they should appear here. If not, don't worry. For this tutorial you can select any existing dashboard that you wish to edit and turn into a roadmap, or you can create a new dashboard if you prefer. To keep things simple, let's assume that we're going to be working with an existing one. Simply select one of the dashboards from the list, click on it, and you should be brought to that specific dashboard's detailed view. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the Edit button. This button is crucial because it's what allows us to modify the current dashboard and add the roadmap view to it. Once you've located Edit, click on it. You should now see various options to customize the dashboard. Now with the editing options open, look for the Add Gadget modal or area on the dashboard. This is where you'll find a field or option to add new functionalities to your dashboard. In this field, go ahead and type Roadmap. The system will search through available gadgets and configurations to find the Roadmap option for you. This step is key because it ensures that you're going to add the correct feature tailored specifically for your needs. After you've typed in Roadmap and it appears in the selections, click on the Add button associated with it. By adding the roadmap, you're essentially placing it onto your dashboard, making it available for immediate use. This is a great point to ensure the roadmap aligns with your project goals, providing a visual layout that can be particularly helpful for team planning and tracking. Once the roadmap has been added, you're almost there. To finalize your changes and save the newly customized dashboard with the roadmap, make sure to click on the Save button. After saving, Jira should bring you back to the dashboard's main view, now with the roadmap prominently displayed among any other widgets or gadgets you might have on it. Finally, to complete everything and lock in all of your changes, click on the Done button located at the top of the page. And there you have it, you've just successfully created a roadmap within your Jira dashboard. This roadmap is now ready to use, and you can even customize it further as your project evolves. You can always return to these steps if further adjustments are necessary, or to create additional roadmaps for other projects. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: don't forget to regularly review and update your roadmap. As project goals evolve over time, having an up-to-date visual representation will ensure that you and your team stay aligned and focused on the tasks that matter most. A well-maintained roadmap is not just a planning tool, but also a strategic guide that helps in achieving your project objectives seamlessly. That concludes our tutorial on creating a Jira roadmap. We hope you find this feature helpful in your project management processes and that it brings more clarity and efficiency to your workflow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more guides like this one. Happy project planning!